Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. So today we will be discussing how to use Bollinger Bands, okay? In simple terms, the most easiest strategy to use, okay? So Bollinger Bands, I know it has some complicated explanation as well, and yeah, you can go further on advanced topics as well on the Bollinger Bands, okay? So Bollinger Bands was invented by a man named John Bollinger, okay? You don't have to know the guy, but yeah, it's good to know, right? Just a fact. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, this is another Bollinger Band, which you can see here, BB. Okay, ignore this. This is not important for now. But yeah, BB is Bollinger Bands, and you can find this in the trading view indicators menu, which is basically Bollinger Bands. Okay, you can see right over here, and this is just Bollinger Bands. Okay, it's basically a kind of a strategy. Okay, so if we can see here, the Bollinger Bands. Okay, if we can use Bollinger Bands, okay, on the, let me just explain you in the most easiest way possible. Okay, Bollinger Bands. Okay, so if you can see this yellow line here, this is basically the moving average. Okay, it's a simple moving average. This, if the price of Bitcoin, which I'm right now on this Bitcoin USD pair, if the price goes above, okay, which is basically over here, then it's considered to be the market can be considered to be going as an uptrend. Okay, and if it's going below, that means it can be expected to go downtrend. Okay, basically down, and we are expecting to see this right over here. So price has dropped below the moving average and the price is going below. Okay, so let me just explain you further. Okay, so if you can see right over here, this also, the topmost Bollinger Band can also be used as this resistance level. Okay, and the lowermost Bollinger Band can be used as the support level. Basically, you will have to find, okay, if you want to find a support and resistance level, right, you will need to find the like a straight path over here. Like this is one straight path. Okay, we don't have a strong support and resistance level right here. We have a strong resistance level, but we don't have a strong support level here. Okay, because it's going downtrend, right? So we have seen this, we don't have it, it's not actually a strong resistance level, but if we expect more candle bars to touch at the same level, like here we have seen, okay, these two candle bars can act as a resistance level. Okay, so we can expect this to be a resistance level, okay, right here, but we need more data. Okay, more data. Okay, you can say data, anything is possible. So that is what Bollinger Band is. Okay, so let me just make it easier for you guys now. So this, we can use it, is the topmost Bollinger Band. This is the topmost Bollinger Band, which can act as the resistance level. Okay, this is the control seeker. This is the lowermost Bollinger Band. Okay, let me just edit it for you guys. This is the support level. Okay, and right over here, this is the moving average. Okay, which is basically yellow right there. Okay, so let me just correct it. Okay, right over there, this is the middle. Okay, we can just put mid, and we can put this as the moving average. Okay, it does make sense, right? I mean, if you're into trading, right, you will definitely find fun, like you'll find joy in learning about trading. Okay, so just remember these three lines. Okay, so now let me go to the most important part. Okay, if the price touches the topmost Bollinger Band, like right over here, a certain asset, okay, basically a security is an asset or whatever pair you're trading on, right, that means it's overbought right there. This part, this is overbought here. Okay, you can see a bullish candle right there. And if it's going below, basically if it's touching right here, okay, it's touching or it crossed, okay, basically you can expect it to be a bearish market, or you can see it's being oversold here. Okay, yeah, right there. But let me show you one thing. Let me just mark it for you guys. Right there. Okay, so if you can see here, this is basically if it touches the topmost level. Okay, topmost level, you can say overbought right there. And if it's low here, to see control V, can say that it is being oversold. Okay, I'll just change the color for making it more simple. Okay, overbought, oversold, makes sense, right? This is moving average. You can make this color yellow. Okay, so basically if a certain asset reaches right over here, it basically means it's overbought. If it reaches the below line, it basically means it's oversold. Okay, so if you expect an oversold, like right over here, for example, if you can see right over here it's being oversold, okay, these two red candles, and we are seeing a bullish candle right over here, which we can expect the market to go up. Okay, so people will most often, like most of the traders, okay, when they see a bearish move right over here, or basically if an asset is being oversold, traders would often, okay, buy. They would buy, okay, like this is not buy and this is sell, right? They would buy, okay, and they would go long. So you can't just press buy and sell, okay, you have to, one second, you have to see like certain curves like this. Okay, if you can see here, this is a contraction. Whenever you see on a Bollinger Band, right, whenever you see a certain contractions here, okay, you can expect something big. Okay, like literally this is a fact. Okay, you can see one more Bollinger Band contraction right there. Here there's one contraction. So you notice, right, there are certain patterns formed. Okay, so if you can see here there has been one contraction formed which caused an uptrend. Right over here there's an uptrend. Okay, there was a certain contraction here, it caused a downtrend right over there. So you can, whenever you see certain contractions, basically when you can expect the market to thin, to like literally get thinner. Okay, over here on the chart analysis, okay, visually if you see, you can expect something big to happen, maybe a bigger uptrend or a big downtrend. You can expect the market to fall or rise. Okay, so this is a actual hack, okay, a fact to understand. Okay, there was a certain contraction here, the market went uptrend. Okay, there is a certain contraction right over here which you can expect the market to go downtrend. I'm damn sure. Okay, stay updated in my next video, and sorry for the tongue slip. Stay updated for my next video where I'll be explaining more on the Bitcoin's prices as well. Okay, so this has been my tutorial on the easiest strategy and the easiest understanding for Bollinger Bands. Okay, I hope you've understood. Please comment your ideas below. If I've said anything wrong on anything, please do comment below, and don't stop grinding. Keep grinding, keep learning. Knowledge is key. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and peace out.